Hi, we are FRC Team 3459 PyroTech from Apex, North Carolina, USA, and we are working alongside FIRST Global Team Guinea-Bissau to support and help FIRST Global teams worldwide. While there are some teams who come in with experience and resources, there are others who are doing robotics for the first time with limited guidance and support.
Many teams struggle with things like building mechanisms, hardware issues, coding basics, team development, and even things like awards and judging.
That's why we created FIRST Global Team Support, a resource hub designated to create step-by-step tutorials for complex robotics concepts.
We're creating short videos, guides, and technical documents that you can follow easily, no matter your experience level. We're also working directly with the FIRST Global Board and Team Guinea-Bissau to make sure these videos are actually useful, accessible, and relevant.
This isn't just about building robots. It's about helping you succeed in all parts of FIRST Global, from building robots, doing outreach, to winning awards. In the description box for all our videos and in the bio of our YouTube channel, we have a link to a video request form where you can suggest what content you want us to create to best help you.